Hi guys, it's me Christina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a new box for you guys. This is called Fashom. This box right here. Actually, this is my second box. I'm so excited to see what's inside. But before I will start my video, I will tell you a little bit about Fashom. So guys, Fashom is a relatively new styling service that offers affordable fashions. So how it works, step 1, you will just tell about your size, your style, your price, your preferences, and then you submit your request to be styled. And then your stylist will send you items to review. You pick 5 items to be shipped to your doorstep. It's free shipping and returns, and there's no subscription required. And then keep what you love and send back the rest if you decided to not keep them all. So now let's do the unboxing. So here's what it looks like inside of the box, guys. Here's the prepaid return envelope, guys. And there's a little note, and it says, "Hello, beautiful." And here's the item, guys. So let's go ahead and we'll see what I got. So guys, first item that I got is this dress right here. I love the color, guys, and the clothing as well because it's really soft and comfy to wear. And this one, guys, is it costs $36 and I got the small size. And this one is called CloudWalk Modal V-neck 3/4 sleeve dress. So I might keep this one. The next item that I got is this one right here, and this is called Cowl neck sweater dress, and I got the small size. This is black ivory color, and this one it costs $45. So next item that I've got is this one right here. This one, guys, it's called Surplice wrap top, and I got the small size and then the black color. And this one, guys, it costs $48. The next item that I've got is this one right here. This one, guys, this one it's called Skies Are Blue off the shoulder top, and I get the small size, and the color is dark forest, and this one, guys, it costs $38. And then the last item that I've got is this one right here. I like the color, guys, and especially the clothing and the design in it. And this one, guys, it's called Skies Are Blue Ruffle sleeve insert jumpsuit. I get this extra small size and the wine color, and this one, guys, it costs $56. So I have to think, if I will keep this one as well. So guys, that would be all, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!